Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Haro Satrio Ibowo. Number cadet 20.66.2049. Today I want to explain about floating situation. A floating is the result of water ingress on board and can affect the water integrity and finally the stability of the vessel. Impact may be catastrophic when weather enters space which are designated as dry areas such as cargo holds and engine room. What is the solution? Floating. Number 1. Master should be informed. Number 2. Emergency station signal should be sounded. Number 3. All water tank doors should be closed. Number 4. Main engine should be slowed stopped. Number 6. Crew should master to the control station. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.